I'm Avi from WorkWide, and today I'm going to walk you through what we've configured to assist organization and employees stay healthy by socially distancing themselves and working from home during the COVID-19 quarantine and lockdown periods across the world. As an organization's admin, you can log in onto WorkWide, the admin portal, by simply using your organization's username and credentials. So you'll type in admin at your organization's name, and then as the password, you'll put in your password that the system has been configured for you. Click on Get Task to log in. As you log in, you'll see a dashboard. This is a dashboard of your organization's activity. So you can see today that our organization has 6 tasks. This is day 1 of the lockdown. Nothing on hold, and 6 have been completed. I may want to drill down on where these tasks have been. WorkWide has a functionality where you can click on here to see more details, and then you'll get a heat map of where all your activity has been. As you can see, we have a lot of activity here in Johannesburg where we are based. You can refresh this map or close it. So let's just close it and take you through what you'll see on the rest of the platform. You'll see your tenant information on the left menu bar. You can just view a tenant or create a new tenant. In most cases, you won't be able to create a new tenant, but you can view and edit your information in there. You can also view tasks. You can view tasks or create new tasks. When you want to view tasks, you simply come in here, and then you view all the active tasks that have actually been done. You can see that most of them have been completed. There's one that's still currently being worked on right now. If we want to see more information about this task, all we need to do is click on this W on Manage. As we get into this task, we quickly see that this task was created on, we see the timeline and history of this task. It was created on the 27th at 2:37, and you see the time that it was accepted, where trip started. In most cases, there's going to be no travel required because people are working from home. But for those that aren't working from home, we still log your travel because we know that it's very important to ensure that only essential people are on the road. And then you can also see that your work, what time you work, the work was started for this user. We see that the route that they're actually working, everything was done here. See more information about this particular task, the times. We can also see on Google Maps where this particular location was. We can click on this link to view the link on Google Maps, or we can just view it on this map here on WorkWide. We can further see information of what was done when this task was being completed. So you see this user hasn't done anything yet. They haven't collected anything. And if they have collected some information or captured some information, you'll see that with a green checkbox there. We also have the ability to add users to your organizations. As you add users to your organizations, you can view your current users that exist. As you can see, I'm the only one that exists here, the admin. I can create users. I can create users manually here if I want to add them one by one. But in some cases, I may have a large team and it's not practical or feasible for me to add them one by one. In situations like this, I'll simply add them using the bulk upload functionality that we have here. I simply click on here, and it will obviously show up a file for me to select. We have a CSV format, so I'm going to say my users list. I'm going to upload this and say open. The system will automatically ingest it, and I'll say stage for uploading. My file is valid. What this does, it checks the format of this and checks if every input is valid, and I'll say start uploading. You can see here that it's uploaded 2 users, and I had 2 users on the sheet. One was created and one was not created because it saw that it was a duplicate. So it only accepts unique values for the username. So you don't need to worry about duplicating users or having the wrong user by accident duplicated in your upload. Furthermore, we understand that some organizations may be more complex and may have different branches, groups, divisions, business units, and teams. If that's the case, you can simply add different branches into this. So branches will be a case where, say for example, my branch name is Cape Town. And I'll create a branch for Cape Town. I may have different groups. So my group I have another group called sales, and another group called ops. And let's just add the Johannesburg branch here. So each user can be attributed a particular group or branch. So in that case, let me go to view my users. And as I view my users, let me maybe put this user in the Cape Town group. I simply click on it, edit, select a group firm. This person actually happens to be in the ops team. So I'll say, okay, let's put it in the ops, and I'll select a branch, Johannesburg. Not every user needs to have a branch or belong to a group, because there's some people who are team leaders or team managers or play the role of HR, where they function across groups and across branches. So it may not be necessary for those user types to have groups or branches. And we also have a reporting functionality. So if you click on reports, we have downloadable reports. This is for you to run reports that are beyond what WorkWide provides. If you want to process them on Excel or use another data tool to extract them and use them, you can download a quick report. So a quick report, I'll give you a view of what it looks like now. You simply click on the report, select the date range that you'd like the report for, and then select download report. You can do that for every report here as well. Every one, you can select the date range and it will change dynamically. This is what the reports will look like once you've downloaded them. For the quick report, you'll see something like this, where you see the task name, the schema or the task type, which is flat in the curve. This is our daily check-ins. The user that was doing that task, the priority of the task, and the state of that task. So it's task work completed, because you saw that I completed all 6 of my tasks. You'll see the data was created and all the necessary attributes to it. There's other fields. So if there was travel and there was work, so this is in seconds. You'll see the task duration here. You may find this useful when it comes to understanding the working hours of somebody, or how long they took to do their check-in, or what time they did their check-in. This could be really beneficial. But you may need more information in this regard. And in cases where you do need more information, you can see all of that in the full task report, as you can see here. And in the full task report, we'll provide all the attributes that were actually captured by the users when they were doing the task. And that's about it for the WorkWide platform. We hope that you stay safe during this time and keep well. Wishing you all the best and a speedy recovery to the world.